Hello and welcome to Techfinna YouTube channel. Today we're going to understand how to connect Odoo with Microsoft Power BI. So, first of all, I presume that you have already purchased our module Power BI Direct Connector from Odoo. And if you haven't bought it yet, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. And also, if you like to buy the module from our website, you can simply go to our website techfinna.com and search for the module Power BI, and you can purchase it from there also. So let's begin. So in order to create a report in Power BI, you have to install the module in your Odoo. After installing it, you can simply go to the settings page and open BI Advanced Connector and copy the connector URL and access token. After that, you have to open up your Power BI desktop and create a blank report. Here, after opening a blank report, you have to go to Get Data and click on More. Here you can see a list of connectors. You have to search for Odoo and you can click on Odoo Connector by Techfinna. Please note that only after installing the module in your computer and in your Odoo, then only you are going to see this connector here. Click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, you can see that you are going to get an option to enter URL and token. You have to copy the URL from your Odoo and paste it here. You have to do the same for the access token. After clicking on OK, this module is going to create a connection between our Odoo and Power BI, which is completely safe and secure. Now you have an option to select multiple tables, but I am going to select only two tables like sale.order and sale.order line. You can see a preview in the right side. I'm going to click on load and it is going to load all of these tables from Odoo. Now you can see we have successfully imported sale order and sale order line table. Now you have to go to the model view and you can see that we have selected these two tables. You have to go to manage relationships and create a new relationship. Here you have to select sale order line and sale order. In the sale order line table, you have to select a unique column like order ID, and you have to do the same for sale order. Like I'm going to select ID. You have to put the cardinality as many to one and cross filter functionality as single. Click on save. It is going to create a connection between these two tables. Click on close. Let's get back to the report view, and now we can create any report we like. For example, I'm going to create a line chart and show the data of sale order. Like this, you can create many more charts and create a really good dashboard here. If you wish to see the entity relationship diagram like the model view you just saw here, you can also go and check out a new module, Odoo Data Model, which shows a very crisp user interface which helps you understand the relationships between tables and the relational fields which are connecting them. That's all for today. If you have any recommendation or any issue regarding this module, feel free to reach out to us at info@techfinna.com. Thank you.